Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to model this mug in SeIfCAD using the following tools: sculpting, magic fix, and Boolean operations. The difference, to be more specific. To begin, I'll add a cylinder, increase its height, and use the taper tool. Now my base is ready and I can go to sculpting. Here we can change our model using different brushes and the following settings. Let's begin with the symmetry. I'll turn it off and draw a line, and this is a standard brush, by the way. Now if I turn it on, you can see a red dot appears. Now everything I draw will be mirrored to the other side. I can also change the size of the brush, and if you chose the plus, it will draw on top of the surface, and the minus will draw below. Here's the intensity setting. Those settings are not global, by the way, and are set for each brush individually. I'm going to use the following brushes most often. The masking brush, where the area you select will not be affected by other brushes. The move brush basically just moves. And the smooth brush. You can either select it here or press and hold Shift and smooth our model. There is also a button Remesh, which uses surface nets. It corrects the geometry and converts it into a set of even quads. Remesh will help you get better quality with your model. Now I can start drawing the cup. Sculpting is a deformation of the structure of the model. If you use high intensity, which causes a lot of deformation in your shape, it's important to use Remesh. It refreshes the structure, adds more resolution, and the sculpting is much smoother. Very often the model will look worse than it actually is. Try using Smooth Brush or Magic Fix tool. I'll talk about it later in the video. After sculpting, the shape is very heavy and has a complex structure. You can see it by looking at the wireframe. The resolution is quite high. To simplify the model, I will use the resolution tool. The lower the value is, the simpler the structure will be. Since we need to simplify our shape, I will set it to 0 and click Rebuild. You can see how much simpler our shape is. Also, there's a tool Magic Fix. It changes the structure and smooths the object. And I'll turn on Keep Original Object to compare the two shapes. They actually look a lot alike. The only major difference is that the shape I rebuilt using resolution has a simpler top with less polygons, but the Magic Fixed shape looks smoother, so I will keep working with the top shape. Now I will add another cylinder. Scale it according to our mug size. For me, it will be 84, 84 for X and Z, and 150 for Y. Again, I will use Taper tool and position it on 0, 0, 0. I will focus the camera on top and align the new shape. I will also need to move it up by Y to ensure I don't remove the bottom of the mug. And using Boolean difference, I will subtract our cylinder. So, our mug is ready. And I can download it now. Or again, use Magic Fix. It will simplify the object structure, which is very important for 3D printing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.